So, ayun guys. Pauwi kami. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. OMG. Let's go!
And I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing. Go out of this world and ride on time.
At eto pa, paglabas namin ng Lima, sobrang taas ng tubig. Nalubog nga yung motor namin eh. Tapos may makakasalubong pa kaming kotse dyan sa tulay. Imbis na magmenor, lalong humataw ang buset.
Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tell me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Fine.
At inabot pa nga ng pag-ihi. Haha!
Ihina ka? Ihina ka?
Sobrang lamig kasi kaya kinilig ang mahiwagang kamote.
Pag naulan, nabubuhay yung ilaw nito.
Arat na, let's go!
Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately.
Tapos aabutan mo yung traffic. Grabe, mula Alaminos hanggang San Pablo. OMG! Isa pang nagkokos ng traffic yung patrol na yan eh. Heist!
Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when I saw you. I'm not the only one hanging on. Tell me to someone who will love me. Oh, never in my life did I want to.
Pero salamat naman at nakauwi din ng maayos kahit sobrang lakas ng ulan. OMG!